If you're looking for dog collars by Puppy Bumpers, here's a collection you've got to see. Top 10 Most Popular Dog Collars by Puppy Bumpers. Number 1, Most Popular, by Puppy Bumpers. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Puppy Bumpers. Number 3. For more details about these dog collars products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Puppy Bumper. Number 5, also by Puppy Bumper. Find these dog collars by Puppy Bumpers at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6. Number 7, by Puppy Bumpers. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Puppy Bumper. Number 9, by Puppy Bumpers. Discover more dog collars by Puppy Bumpers ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.